be computerized. And so you can read the article, and it says there was two scientists at Oxford, and they wrote this paper, The Future of Employment, How Susceptible Are Jobs to Computerization. And then I read the abstract of this paper, and over here it says they implemented a novel methodology to estimate the probability of computerization for 700 occupations using a Gaussian process classifier. That's an artificial intelligence. You know what that means? They have to add one here. They have to add predicting which jobs will be automated. Now, really, it's just a simple statistical technique, but it's like it would be considered a branch of machine learning, what I work on, and it's actually very similar to the technique we used in Watson to do the confidence estimation. We use logistic regression. It's an old technique. It's very simple. We hyped it up with a few secret tricks, but this is standard ML work. And I read the paper. The ML side was very good. The economic side was very good. I learned a lot about the history of automation and how guilds actually tried to prevent that. But then I started looking at, well, how did they get this number? And it turns out what they did was there's this ONET data, which the Bureau of Labor and Statistics releases, and there were 700 jobs in this ONET data. And then with the ONET data, they have all these attributes of what does it take to do the job. ONET does this, the BLS does this because they want to help people in job education to understand if you're good at this, what else might you be good at? So each of these 700 jobs has about, I forgot how many attributes it is, it's at least 200 attributes. What the researchers did here was they picked 7 of them that they thought were important for automation and threw the rest away. They went through the 700 occupations and they picked 70 jobs they thought were easiest to classify into automatable in the next 10 to 20 years or not. And then they annotated them. With, yes, this one's going to be computerized, no, this one isn't. Who did it? A bunch of machine learning researchers and a few economists. So this is, we're going to capture our opinion about which, or our expert opinion about which jobs are going to be automated. And then we're going to train a machine learning technique based on our opinion and run that machine learning technique on all 700 jobs. And that's how you get your probability. And so I started looking at some of them in here. If you only look at 6 dimensions, some jobs look the same. So bicycle repairers are almost the same as packaging and filling machine operators and tenders. Only, believe it or not, bicycle repairers are considered less assisting and caring, by a small amount. But these are almost exactly the same in this space. This is all the computer gets to see, is how do you rank according to those 7 dimensions they picked: originality, manual dexterity, finger dexterity, so forth. This right here, this is their list. I got this in the paper, so you can go to the paper right now and see if